Hi, this is Bill Wood with Disciplined Trading Decisions. It's time for the weekend update for the S&P 500. But first, trading futures, options on futures, and retail off-exchange foreign currency transactions involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Hi, and welcome to the weekend market recap. My name is Bill Wood. This week we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to have 3 videos, all right, just on the S&P. So the first video is going to be on Elliott wave, the second video will be on market geometry, and the third video will be on market profile. So with the Elliott wave, we're going to look at what is the count and also an alternate count. Is there a possibility of a new high? Just in general, what to expect next. Are we in a bear market now, or are we still in a bull? So how far can this go either way? And we're going to look at that. And we're also going to look at the bond yield to see if there are signs of recession. The next video will be on market geometry, and we're going to discuss, how far can this market go? Right now it's going down. How far can it go down? If it turns around and goes up, how far can we expect it to go up? And where is support and resistance? And we're going to use market geometry to determine all that. And then the third video will be on market profile. So what is happening behind the scenes? What are the clues to what is upcoming in market action? So market profile tells a story, and we want to discover what the story is that market profile is telling us. So we're going to look at the S&P 500, the E-mini contract. We're going to begin with Elliott wave. So if you watch any of these videos to the end, you can see the link for the next video in the series. Okay, we're going to start with the monthly chart. This is the ES, and this was a previous 5-wave high, the top of a previous 5-wave high. So I'm counting this as an ABC pattern here, ABC. So we're starting a new trend up. This started in 2009. You could call this wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5, and say, okay, thank you very much, wham bam, thank you, man. We are now going to be in a bear market. We've had our 5 waves up, but hold on there, cowboy. We have what you may call alternate counts. Okay, looks a little more confusing, doesn't it? Especially up here where we're at right now. So let's just start where we started before. Okay, this was the previous high. We have our ABC. This is at the end of 2009. Now let's start counting our waves. Okay, we have wave 1 here and wave 2, but then we have another wave 1 and wave 2. It's very unlikely that this is a wave 3. Wave 3 cannot be the shortest wave. We're going to say, just for giggles, that this is a major wave 1 here, a major wave 2, and then a minor wave 1 and minor wave 2. And so this is what I'm calling a minor wave 3. The major I have in Roman numerals, and the minor I have in these parentheses here. So wave 3, what comes after wave 3? A wave 4. So let's move this forward. There was definitely a correction there. So I'm calling this wave 4, and we're waiting for wave 5. Wave 5 isn't the end of this move, because in actuality, wave 5 is just the third wave. So you have this major 1, major 2, minor 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which makes the major 3. So now you're looking for a correction. Wave 4 on the major waves, looking for either a triangle or a zigzag or a flat. And this looks like an ABC wave. ABC gives us our 4. So this is where this is getting confusing for me. Maybe not anyone else, but for me. So you have your major 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now you're working on your major 5th wave. At the end of the major 5th wave, this move should be done. So we have a 1 and a 2. 1, 2, definitely a little pullback here. But then we have another, perhaps a minor 1 and 2. So this is where it gets confusing. So if this count is correct, then this becomes very interesting. if this count is correct, there's 1 and there's 2. So we're looking for the end of 3 and pull back for 4. So I don't know that I see that anywhere in here. We have the minor wave 1, minor wave 2, and then a micro wave 1 and wave 2. Okay, so what do we have at the top here? Let's zoom in a little bit. So at the top, this could either be wave 3 on these minor waves, or it could be wave 3 on the micro waves. If it's wave 3 on the minor wave, then here's wave 4 and here's wave 5, and this move is done. And it sure looks like it's done because look how strong this came down. All right, so this could be the end of the bull market. I'm not saying that it is. I'm going to give you arguments against that and arguments for it. So if this is not the end, then this would be wave 1, wave 2. Then wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave 3. So we're going to copy this and we're going to put this over here with this wave 5. Let's make this a different color. Okay, so this is either the end of the bull market or it's only a wave 3. If it's only a wave 3, then we're looking for wave 4 and we may have this A, B, C. Let's look at this on a smaller time frame. Okay, on this day time frame chart, we have this wave 3. This wave 3 is either a minor wave 3 or it's a micro wave 3. You have a triangle here, A, B, C, D, E, and then the 5th wave. It's either a 5th wave micro or it's a 5th wave major or minor here. So if this is the end of the move, what I would expect is 5 waves down for wave 1. Okay, 5 waves. You could say that this is 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or you could say that this is 3 waves, A, B, C. If this is 3 waves, then I was thinking that this should be a flat and the B wave should come very close, if not higher than the previous high. That didn't happen. So maybe this is 5 waves for A, B, and then C would come down into here. Wave C can end wherever it wants, but if it's going to be a 100% extension of wave A, so here's wave A, wave B, 100% extension would be down here around 2471. And if that is actually the end of wave 4, then we would go up one last time for wave 5 and then a possible bear market. Okay, I'm going to end this video here. The next video will be on market geometry, what's going to act as support and resistance using market geometry, and then we're going to look at market profile. So if you watch any of these videos to the end, you can see the link for the next video in the series. This is Bill Wood, and if you're watching this anywhere other than my blog at Discipline Trading Decisions, please go there now and check out our other resources. And while you're there, sign up for our weekly newsletter. And this is a reminder to trade according to your trade plan. Don't do what I do. You have to believe in your analysis of the market in order to stay disciplined and true to your plan. Hey, I really appreciate your likes, comments, and your shares. It all helps to get the word out. And remember, stay motivated, stay focused, and stay disciplined, my friend.